Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In today's episode, we will learn about the Maryam's chamber. Sayyidatuna Maryam alayhi salam was the mother of Sayyidina Isa alayhi salam. Her father's name is Imran and mother's name is Hina. When Sayyidatuna Maryam was in the womb of her mother vowed that she would donate the child that is going to be born for the service of Baitul Muqaddas. Therefore, when Sayyidatuna Maryam was born, her mother took her to Baitul Muqaddas. Sayyidina Zakariah alayhi salam, who was the maternal uncle of Sayyidatuna Maryam alayhi salam, was Imam of the religious scholars of Baitul Muqaddas of those times. Sayyidina Zakariah alayhi salam became the caretaker. He made a separate chamber on the highest level of Baitul Muqaddas, which was isolated from all other sections, and kept Sayyidatuna Maryam there. Therefore, Maryam alayhi salam began to live there isolated, whilst remaining busy in the worship of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Sayyidina Zakariah alayhi salam would pay daily visits in the morning and evening to check on her well-being and arranging the sustenance. Within a few days, a miraculous marvel took place in the chamber of Maryam alayhi salam. When Sayyidina Zakariah alayhi salam would visit the chamber, he would find the fruits of winter season in summer seasons and the fruits of summer in the winter season. Sayyidina Zakariah alayhi salam would inquire in amazement, "O Maryam, where do you get these fruits from?" Maryam alayhi salam would reply that these fruits are from Allah Azza wa Jal, and He bestows with immeasurable sustenance to whomsoever He wills. Sayyidina Zakariah alayhi salam was blessed with the rank of prophethood by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but he did not have any offspring, and he had reached the old age. For years his heart was eager for offspring, and many a times he had supplicated to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with humility for a beautiful child, but he had still not yet been blessed with any child. When he saw the marvel of Maryam alayhi salam, that out of season fruits descends there, at that time this thought mounted his heart that even though he has become very old, the seasons to yield the fruit of children has passed away, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who blesses out of season fruits to Maryam alayhi salam in the chamber, He is capable to bless him with an out of season fruit in the form of a child. Therefore he supplicated in the chamber of Maryam alayhi salam, and his supplication was accepted. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessed him with a son in his old age, and Allah named this child Yahya. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has described this event in the Holy Quran in following words. Whenever Zakariah visited her at her prayer chamber, he found fresh food with her. He said, "O Maryam, where did this come to you from?" She answered, "It's from Allah. Indeed, Allah gives to whom He wills, without calculating." It is here that Zakariah prayed to his Lord. He said, "My Lord, give me from yourself a righteous offspring. Indeed, you only are the listener of my prayer." And the angels called out to him while he was standing offering prayer at this place of worship, "Indeed, Allah gives you glad tidings of Yahya, who will confirm the truthful word from Allah, a leader always refraining from women, a prophet from among our devoted ones."